Hello everyone, welcome to Google Chrome tutorials. In this video we will be seeing that how can we fix the error if our scroll wheel of the mouse is not working. So many a times with Google Chrome we get a problem where the scroll wheel is not working. So let's see what is the solution to that problem, which is pretty straightforward. So the first thing you need to do is go to your search bar and search for control panel and bring it up. Now in the control panel, if your control panel doesn't look like this, then what you need to do is go to this top right heading called view by and make sure that category is not selected. You can either select large icons or small icons, either of them are good. So I have selected large icons. When you do that, you will see mouse settings over here. So all the mouse settings you can customize from here. Let's just click on this. Since I'm on my laptop, so the first option I get is Dell touchpad. If you're not using a laptop but a desktop, then you won't be getting this option. Next, if we just go to buttons, then you can see we can just select the mouse configuration or the buttons of this mouse. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that the speed of the mouse is something over here in the middle. If it is too slow or too fast, you can just adjust it to make sure it's in the absolute middle. Even not in the absolute middle but roughly in the middle. Next, go to this wheel option. Now there are two options, vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling. For the vertical scrolling, you need to make sure that it is set to 7, and for horizontal scrolling you can set for a value like 4. Then you can click on apply and your problem will be fixed. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.